myself, talented Miss Lauren, with me, Dancing with Markers, Lauren. We're going to show you the cool move of the week. Haven't done this one in a few years, so it's good to bring things back because you may not have seen it the last time we did it. So if you haven't seen it before, it's pretty cool. First, we're going to show it to you. I'll show you how to do it. So for shirt push, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. It's called go right because most of the move is executed by making her go right, me go right. You'll see once you break it down. It makes more sense. How it begins, though, we're just going to make it very easy to begin. You can get into it another way if you wish to make it more fancy, but after shirt push, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'm just going to switch hands right to right. Very basic, okay? So then from there, pull her forward on 1, 2, turn her to her left. I know, I said everything to the right. Turn her to the left for this time. First off, she's going to come through, guys, come around. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to come forward. It's easier to see going front to back. So I've already switched hands. Raise it, turn her to her left. 1, 2. As she's turning left, take your left hand, guys, behind her back. 3 and 4, behind her left arm. Up high on her shoulder. Now, danger zone. I don't want to tell you why, but don't you understand why I'm telling you this? So guys, arm up high, because you need this arm for the next part. So don't be creepy. Just be up there. So raise your arm, turn her in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm on my left foot, pulling Lauren up onto her right foot. Because from there, everything really takes off for the energy. So shirt push. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to pull her through with this hand. With this hand, guys, you're going to turn right. 5, 6, 7, and 8. I know that didn't go really well because we had no energy because we actually stopped doing it. So going again, pull her through, raising the arm. So as soon as I get to 4, step 5, push, let go, 6, 7, 8. Okay, because there's a lot of energy here that we're not executing. Let's go this way. So we've already switched hands. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step, turn, 6, 7, 8. Just called a tandem turn. It's a nice little, cool little turn. End up in a right to right. So let's go this way for the last part. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step, turn, let her go. So guys, you're really crossing tracks several times to get into this. So first you come through, cross over, and then I cross over again. I'm on the right side. And I step and turn, and I get back on the track. Okay? You end up in a right to right. So technically, you could do it again. We're not going to do it again. It's called a hairbrush or a drape. Sugar push count. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Drape down on. Okay? Or whatever you want to do. You can do it again. She may not like it, but she can do it again. Whole way through. Called go right 2. Actually, if I go right 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Set turn. Through, raise the arm. Bring it down, slide down her arm, then pick up her hand for the rest of it. Let's go this way. Just see all views. So we'll do a shirt punch this with a right to right. Bring her through. Turn her. Guys, don't be creepy. So turn. And then drape the arm. Just so you can see that, so it makes sense. It's a very cool move. Especially she may not be seeing that tandem turn, but it is pretty cool. So I hope you like it. If you haven't given us a thumbs up yet, what's stopping you? Please do that. Please subscribe. Please share with your friends or other dancers. Now, Miss Lauren does something besides dance tutorials. What is that?
So I'm actually a visual facilitator. I facilitate meetings both online and in person. So if you are suffering from a very boring Zoom meeting and want to try to make your meetings more engaging, more productive, maybe even more fun, please reach out. I'd be more than happy to chat with you about your upcoming meetings, maybe even do a little team building offsite. You can find me at dancingwithmarkers, like what you draw with on the wall.com.
I've already forgotten everything she just said, so I'm going to put the description to everything, all of her information in the description box. So make sure you go to all different locations to reach out to her and see what she can do for you. As always, guys, thank you so much for allowing us to share our passion for dance with you. Till next time, as always, forever to
keep dancing.